Hello viewers. In today's video I am going to discuss about reading skill. First of all, what is reading skill? Reading is a procedure of observing at a written document and translating it into opposite sound. In fact, it is the ability which enables the peoples to extract from the printed text the thoughts, facts, and informations that the text provides. Reading needs the perfect coordination of eyes and brains to comprehend the written document. Because without perfect communication or perfect combination between eyes and heaven, it is very much impossible to extract the actual thought or fact or information of the text. Now, in this slide, I'm going to talk about the different types of reading. Francis Bacon once said in his essay, some books are to be tested, other to be swallowed, and some few to be chewed and digested. Similarly, we can get three types of readings primarily. First is skimming. What is skimming? Actually, this type of reading is used to get the gist of any written document. For example, reading newspaper, reading magazines, articles, etc. When we used to go to some book exhibition to buy some book, we used to lay our hands on the book and we used to look at the title of the book or go to the content pages, flip through the pages quickly. This is skimming. So skimming is looking quickly over a text to get a general and superficial idea of the content. Next, scanning. Scanning process involves finding out a particular bit of information, that is finding a number from a telephone directory or examination results, train schedules, lottery results, etc. When we want to find out a telephone number of an individual, we do not read the whole telephone directory from the beginning to the end. We only go to the relevant page, run our eyes through the pages till we locate the name, and then find the number of that person only. Next, in-depth reading. In-depth reading is to understand completely what the writer is saying and to evaluate a text. That is reading research papers, professional articles, journals, etc. We can tell it as close reading. Aims of developing reading skill. Reading skill enables the learner to read English accurately, not only English, any language accurately